Welcome to Pharmacy Tech Helping, and today I want us to go over prescription verbs, the proper verbs to use for prescriptions. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 verbs that we're going to go over, and I'm going to give you examples of what kind of medicine you're going to use with these verbs when you're reading a prescription or when you're writing a SIG for the prescription. The first one is take. Take. Take is usually anything that you are going to swallow or anything that you take through your mouth. So I'm going to write there. Anything through mouth. So this is anything taken orally is usually take. And examples of things that you can take are tablets, capsules. Those are examples. So if I'm prescribing tablets, it's going to say, or I'm writing the SIG out for tablets, I'm going to say take 1 tablet or take 1 capsule. Next, we're going to do unwrap and insert. When you think about unwrap and insert, what form of medication do you think that is? Unwrap and insert is usually a suppository. So it's something that goes through your vagina or your anus. So vaginally or anally, there are suppositories that you can put in your vagina. Yes. So we're going to say vaginally or orally. And examples are going to be suppositories. Suppositories. Example. Suppositories. At the end, I'm going to give you a quick quiz with 5 prescriptions to fill in the blank, okay? Next, I have inhale. You know about inhaler, like your inhalers. And we can inhale through the mouth, but we can also inhale through the nose. So this is also going through nasal, or oral. These are both routes when you use the word inhale. Examples are nebulizer for the nose and asthma pump, which you could use orally. When you do your asthma thing, you don't do it through your nose. You inhale it through your mouth, through your lungs specifically. So we have take, unwrap and insert, and we have inhale. The next one is going to be instill. Instill is usually for drops. So I could say instill 2 drops of clarithromycin or erythromycin in your left eye twice a day for 7 days because you have an infection in your eye. So instill is usually for drops, which would be eye or ear drops. Examples here are eye drops. Okay. Next, this is our 5th one. This would be apply. If you're using a cream, you apply the cream. And usually the doctor will say apply to affected area. So apply would be in the form of a cream, ointment, and who can guess the last one? Who can guess what else you use to apply? Let me know in the comments. Examples would be rash cream, burn ointment, when somebody gets burned. And the last one was patches. You apply a patch. So like a birth control patch or a smoking cessation patch. Next I have inject. Inject would obviously be for injections like insulin. Example would be insulin. I have 2 left. I have infuse. Infusion will usually be something that you put through an injection as well, but through like a G tube or an IV or something like that. So it's an injection that goes over time. You're going to infuse. Infuse examples would be, I would say, administered over time. That's what infuse means. That means it's not like an insulin shot where you're just injecting it directly. And lastly, I'm going to have place. Hopefully this fits here. And we'll go over them right now.